have the Nintendo Switch and I'll be showing you how to change the language. Now the interface language is English on mine. If I want to change it to a different language, I'll just go to settings, so system settings, and then on the left hand side panel you want to scroll and find system. Tap on that. Under system you should see, or rather you should scroll and find language. You can see mine is set to English by default. If I tap on that, I can choose a different language. So for instance, if I want my Nintendo to speak French, I'll choose French, and then you'll have to restart your Nintendo so it can restart with a new language. So let's go ahead and do that. After the restart, your Nintendo Switch should now be speaking a different language. So you can see it's now speaking French. If I go to the main menu, everything is in French now. So that's basically how to change the language on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching and good luck.